What is going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the fastest way that you can start earning $100 a day with AI and robots. Now, if you're a complete beginner to making money online, new to this channel, you're in the right place. I'm going to be taking you through step by step of how to get started and what you need to do. You're also going to be getting a bunch of cool free stuff in this video, like the digital playbook right here. You're going to get access to over 130 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote. You'll get a list of done for you emails already. And my favorite, you'll get a list of already or done for you short form content that you can go ahead and download from Google Drive and then post it on Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Now, to get everything, all you need to do is just subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, let me know you're taking action, and I will send everything directly to you. So let's go ahead and dive in and get to the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, get free course, bonuses, put in your information. This is going to let me update you with all the new and cool AI stuff, but also this is going to allow you to get access to the digital playbook, which is going to be sent in the first email. And once you do, we are going to go through 6 steps, with the first one being access to a software called Go High Level. Now, this is the software that I use for all my marketing, funnels, sales, pretty much all my back end stuff. And for you to have access to this and all the things I use, you are going to need to get this software. I talk about it a lot on my channel. So if you don't already have it, go ahead and sign up for the free trial. Next is going to be, I'd recommend just booking a quick kickoff call with me. This is going to allow me to make sure everything is set up correctly into your system. And then if you have any questions on how to get started, what tools to use, this is going to be the best place to be able to get a hold of me. I also have a Discord community too, where you can send me a direct message there. That'll be probably the quickest place that I'll be able to get back to you. But I know some people don't want to do this on their own. Then I have just a free course that has about 32 to 4 minute videos that kind of go through step by step of how to get everything set up and how to get started. Step 4 is going to be importing the snapshot. What a snapshot is like I said, it's going to take everything that I'm using and just directly import it into your account. So once you hit import, it will take you to, this is what Go High Level looks like as far as the software. But once you import snapshot, you're going to have all my different funnels and websites. You're going to have all my email automations, with the new email opt-in being the main one. And you'll also have, like I have some calendars in here that you'll get, but the main ones are going to be the emails and then the different sites and funnels. So once you import that, you'll be able to start using the short form content that I already have, where you can download it and then upload it into your software. But let's go ahead and go back to Go High Level since we have it imported, all that good stuff. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to sites and then go to the DPB snapshot funnel. So depending on the tool that you are going to be wanting to get paid to promote, you are going to need a funnel where you have some type of title, then some type of 4 to 7 long form video, and then a button that leads into the email option. So you're going to want a long form video, because a lot of the traffic is going to be coming from the short form content that you're going to be posting across your social media platforms. So let's just say I'm doing Go High Level. So this video right here kind of talks about that tool, but whatever tool you'd be doing, you can choose that. So let's actually go back over to the digital playbook and go to AI tools. So like I said, this is a list of 100 plus different AI tools that you can get paid to promote, and that has an affiliate program. And a lot of the times, if you scroll to the bottom of these softwares, you will see a section where it says affiliate program, become an affiliate. Once you sign up, it gives you a link like this. And this is the link that we're going to be driving traffic to. So hopping back over to Go High Level, and we're going to go to automations, and let's go ahead and take a look at the new email opt-in automation. So on that funnel page I just showed you, when someone enters in their name and email, they're going to get opted into an automation like this. And this is where we can start sending them emails every day, every other day, to get them to click or take action. Now, as you see right here, this is a hyperlink that is going to my affiliate link of whatever tool that I'm promoting. But you see right here, it's a custom value. It's not my actual link. I put a custom value in here so when people import their snapshot, that they don't have to go through every single email and change theirs out or change mine out for theirs. So I'm going to show you how that you can create your own custom value and put in your own affiliate link. What we would need to do is just go over here to settings. Let's go down to custom values, and then you're just going to want to create new custom value, make the name affiliate link, could be whatever. And then right here, value is where you would post your link. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine. Affiliate link, boom, that is the value that it will send. And then voila, every time someone clicks on a link, or whenever someone clicks on that custom value, it gets sent to whatever that link is. All right, let's go back to this. All right, so we have everything set up as far as the back end. We have the funnel. Now it's time to start generating traffic and getting eyeballs. And that is going to be from downloading some of these done for you clips. So a lot of these are from people that have created shorts that are proven to work, as you can see from the comments and likes, and they have just been replicated. So now all you would need to do is take it, upload it into maybe a software like CapCut, maybe add an overlay, add some different audios, and then you would go to the marketing section of Go High Level, and you would connect your different profiles, and then you would schedule them out. Taking a little second to load. So you would schedule them out like this, and then every time someone comments or message you saying that they want the information about whatever you're promoting, you would send them a link. Excuse me. You would send them a link, or there's an automation tool called ManyChat, which does that yourself, but there's no need to get into that yet when you haven't built up enough leads and eyeballs yet to where it's plenty enough that you can just do it manually. So I know I went through this kind of quick, but if you have any questions, I would highly suggest of just booking a call with me. To get access to this, like I said, just go to digitalplaybook.com. You will get access to it. If you have any questions or comments, would love to answer them. But that is all for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next video.